Snacking cool after school with a balanced snack is easier than you think. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to earn an A+ in snacking with my favorite grab-and-go after-school snack that I like to call banana sushi. To begin, spread a 1/4 cup of natural creamy peanut butter onto an 8-inch whole wheat flour tortilla. Peel a medium-sized banana and lay it on one end of the tortilla. Roll the banana up tightly while keeping everything inside the wrap. Spread additional peanut butter on top to act as an adhesive. And cut the rolled tortilla into 8 smaller pieces. Fats like peanut butter take longer to digest, so allow for extra time if you plan on using it for a pre-workout snack. Dip each piece into your choice of crushed toppings. For mine, I've used freeze-dried strawberries, unsweetened shredded coconut, fruity crispy rice cereal, Hy-Vee mini semi-sweet baking chips, and chopped shelled pistachios. Pistachios pack a nutritious punch, full of plant-based protein, fiber, and unsaturated fat. For more healthy snack combos to keep you fueled between meals, try sea salt popcorn and string cheese, strawberries and dark chocolate hummus, hard-boiled egg with Hy-Vee Shortcuts cantaloupe berry blend, or baby carrots with yogurt-based dressing. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow your favorite Hy-Vee dietitians now on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Health.